Hello amazing people! Happy you're part of the fun today! In this visual story, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 16 divided by 16 over 2, then times 2. First we do this multiplication. 16 over 2 times 2. We can easily cancel this 2 and this 2. So here we have this 16 only, and 16 divided by 16 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 16 divided by 16 over 2. To do this division, write down the 16, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 2 over 16, and here again we have times 2. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 16 and this 16, which gives 2, and here again we have times 2. So here we have this 2 times 2, which equals 4. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.